Hey guys, at BV Matson here, and today we're going to tackle two of the hardest bolts to get out on these bikes. It is this hex bolt in the bottom of the fork. These things can be a nightmare. I highly recommend that you clamp this bad boy in. What you're going to want to do is just look for like one of these tabs, get that butted up against something firm so you can get it loosened off. So I'm just going to tighten it up right here, and what you're going to need to get these out, just go grab yourself for like $5, go grab yourself a 6mm hex bit for your socket or your breaker bar, whatever. I don't know how aggressive we're going to need to get, but just go get one. You're going to need one. So got my 3/8 ratchet here. I'm hoping I'm going to be able to do it with this. We're going to drop it on and see if we can crack it free. Now to note, I have let these soak for, a week or so with some penetrating oil. So hopefully this should break right free. So let's give her a torque. Ooh, I turned. Got it. Nice. That one came out nice and smooth. Nice and smooth, man. Really nice and smooth. And we're just going to pull this out, and we're good. And there's your bolt. There it is right there, boys and girls. There it is. God, I'm wondering if this might be a 7mm. God, look at all that grime and gunk on that thing. Thought it was a 6. But it did get torqued on there a little bit. But oh well, there we go. Head is still good. But yeah, we got it out. That's what you're going to need. I'll double check. Is it a 6mm or a 7mm? But a 6 got it out. It didn't round it out. I think there was just a bunch of grime and stuff in the bottom of this. So yeah, we're ready for disassembly of this fork. All right, and once you pull that bolt out, this whole thing is going to come right apart. This thing actually is already kind of falling apart on me, so I'm just going to lift this out of here. And right here, it's going to just slide right apart. Just like that. We got our seal. Oh, yeah, we got to get our seal out of there. Duh. All right, the next order of business to get this thing fully apart, there's going to be a snap ring in the top end here that holds the seal in. So you're absolutely going to need a set of snap ring pliers. Simply just find your 2 holes. Trying to give you a shot of this. This is tricky. It's kind of tight. Pull that snap ring tight. Ooh, God, it's dirty. All kinds of dirt in the top of this thing. Try to get those nice there. Kind of stuck on one side here. And that one side doesn't want to move. Too much junk and corrosion in here, man. These are filthy. These are going to need a good. There we go. Right there, that snap ring pops out. See how that is? Just grab it and then pull it out just like that. So there is our snap ring. All right, now the whole thing comes apart just like this. So we're going to pull the tube. And then I thought, let's see. Oh yeah, I got to take the top nut off. There, we got it. One step at a time. Keep getting ahead of myself. We got to grab a crescent wrench. Crescent wrench should do the job on this. Just got to take this bad boy off. Oh. And my hands are all greasy, of course. Well, yeah, just grab this and turn this off. All right. Bada bing. Bada boom. There it is. And get some rags. Rag would be good because there's some oil coming out of here. I'm just going to pull this straight out. There's a big long spring. I'm going to pull that out just like that. There you go. Hopefully you guys saw that. I should have gave you a little bit more elevation on it. But yeah, now it just pulled straight out. And we are golden with the next phases of cleaning up this piece. So right here is your seal. Your fork seal is right here. We're going to replace these. So we're going to pull these out as well next. Actually, I might be able to just do it right now from this angle. Should be able to just get underneath it. And pry that bad boy out of there. All right, I'm going to put this piece aside for now. Deal with that later. Now we just got to get this seal out of here. And you just got to get some leverage underneath it. And it should pop right out. There it came out. Boom, there's your old seal. right there. And we're actually going to go ahead and put a new seal in this. But most importantly, this is what we need to polish. We got to polish the hell out of this. So this went pretty smooth. You can pull this out of here too. Should be a little brass washer on here. Yeah, there's a little brass washer on there. Do not lose that. This piece is ready for polishing. All I got to do is tear apart the next one, and then we've got those pieces ready to go. So there you go, guys. All disassembled. We're ready to go. We can get to polishing these bad boys. They're going to take some work, but these are not that bad. Actually, the ones on my 70 CB350 were a lot worse. These actually look really, really good. Really, really clean. This is pretty normal to have some of this rust here. Do not lose your parts. Don't lose the snap ring. Don't lose these two bottom bolts. Don't lose your plugs. Again, here's the old seals. We'll deal with those later. You're going to need snap ring pliers, and you're going to need a 16mm hex bolt. That's really as far as I'm going to go on these fork tubes. Everything else looks really good. Everything's really clean. Took a look inside. I don't think I need to go any further on this. Mostly just got to get back to polishing. So I hope you found this useful, or at least gave you a little bit of insight. If you enjoyed the videos, follow along. Please subscribe to the channel. Also, thumbs up those videos that you guys like. It means a lot. Also, follow along Instagram and Twitter. I share some stuff there occasionally as well. So let's quick run over here. Primer's drying on these. Boom, they're looking pretty good. We'll be able to sand those out today. So knocking out a few small projects here on the 1972 CL350. See you in the next video.